this morning to make tawbah. The man was shocked. And he asked him, is there revelations and wahi that descends upon you? Imam Abu Hanifa radiyallahu ta'ala says, no. There has been seen, مَا كَانَ مُحَمَّدٌ أَبَا أَحَدٍ مِّن رِجَالِكُمْ وَلَكِنْ رَسُولَ اللَّهِ وَخَاتَمَ النَّبِيِّينَ. That's totally sealed. Revelation has stopped after the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam had left this dunya. There's no prophet after him. And then, since there is no prophet, there's no revelation. He says, yes, I did commit a sin, but how do you know? He says, yeah, I can see it from the drips of water that is falling from your wudu when you wash your parts of your body. I can see this, the color of the water that's falling on. It's got traces of zina. The man repented on the hands of Imam Abu Hanifa because he did commit zina. The Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that your sins, when you wash your hands, the last drops of water that falls from there, it gives the stench or gives the color of the sins that you commit. Then another person making wudu asked him, after wudu, Imam Abu Hanifa asked him, now look at the nature of the question now. The nature changes. First he asked, what sin did you commit? And now Imam Abu Hanifa asked him, what good deeds did you commit that I see signs of it dropping from the water that you make wudu? The man says that I perform salah and I wait for the next salah, and then I perform wudu for the next salah, and so on and so on. They say, I can see the signs of that piety dripping from your wudu water. This vision, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the master and the Nabi of Imam Abu Hanifa. Imam Abu Hanifa is his servant. Right? If this is the power of the vision that can intercept that which any apparatus or no can this modern science perceive with all its knowledge and all its technology. If Imam Abu Hanifa can perceive that, you may imagine what will be the power of interception and power of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam vision. What can be hidden from him? Right. So he said, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is a consensus that is given by the Imams of Deen, Khatimul Muhaddiseen, Hafiz, Khatimul Huffaz, Imam al-Shaan, Imam Qastalani in his Mawahib al-Dunya states this. These are giants. Right? You're not half big Maulvis of any certain mass production universities or colleges. These are giants that you have to read them, study them to become an alim. That is the difference. Nobody studies you to become an alim, but you study them, then you become an alim. Imam al-Qastalani radiyallahu ta'ala, he is also Sharih of Bukhari, he is a commentator of al-Bukhari Sharif. See, بِأَحْوَالِهِمْ وَنِيَاتِهِمْ. The Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows the condition of his ummah. His ummah. How many Muslims are there? How many Muslims are there? Millions. Going in the billion. Going in the billion. And where are they? Everywhere around the world. And Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows each one by his name, not only by his name, but also what is his condition and what intentions and desires he has in his heart. The Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is aware of it. So who can be aware of that if you're not haazir and naazir? Muslims are right around the world. In every crevice and corner, in every country in the world, there is a Muslim. The Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is aware of him. How can he be aware of him if he's not present, if he's not haazir, if he's not naazir? He knows him. He knows his actions. He knows everything. Right? So, how is this possible? Nasimur Riyadh, the great Imam Shahabuddin Khafaji radiyallahu ta'ala. Right? He was a great Imam. Imam Khafaji radiyallahu ta'ala states in his commentary of Shifa. Nasimul Riyaz is a commentary of Shifa Qazi Ayaz. You know what is the extent and what is the greatness and what is the excellence of this kitab Shifa. But this is a commentary written by who? A great Imam. Imam Shahabuddin al-Khafaji radiyallahu anhu. Imam Shahabuddin Khafaji is the ustaz of the great Arif Imam Abdul Wahhab al-Sharani radiyallahu anhu. He is buried in Cairo. He is an Egyptian scholar, and he is known as the small Imam Shafi'i of Egypt, the junior Imam Shafi'i. Such is his status. Imam Shahabuddin al-Khafaji. He says, Al-Anbiya alayhimus salam min jahd al-adsam wa zawahir ma'al bashar. See, the prophets are physically and externally in the human form. He says here, actually he says, there are two dimensions of the prophets. One is the physical aspect and one is the spiritual aspect. They say the physical aspect of the human is found in their external body. Then he says there's another aspect. وَبَوَاطِنُهُمْ وَقَوَاهُمُ الرُّحَانِيَّةُ الْمَلَكِيَّةُ. As far as the spirituality is concerned, it has angelic powers. You know what is angelic powers? You know what's a matter? For give you an example of angelic powers. Qawm of Ad and Samud, they were involved in sinning, sodomy and all these sins. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered them, yeah, Jibreel, go pick up the land that they live in, capsize it. So that Jibreel went and dug that hole with his hand, picked up the whole ground where this nation, the entire nation was living, lifted up in the sky and turned it upside down. That's the power of an angel. That power is found in them of a higher degree, because a prophet is more excellent than an angel. Prophets are more excellent in status than an angel, and angels are there to serve them, right? Because don't you know that the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam fighting in the battle of Badr, who was he assisted by? By angels, right? Angels were fought alongside the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Angels fought alongside Sayyidina Jibreel fought alongside Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the battle of Badr and also by the battle of Uhud, right? And they killed many kuffar, and this is mentioned in the Holy Qur'an. So Al-Anbiya alayhi salam, the prophets, on whom be peace of Allah, salams and salutations upon them, min jahtil adsam wa zawahir, an aspect of his physical aspect, ma'al bashar, they are like the human external body. Wa bawatinuhum, and they ruhaniya, and they inner self, qawahum ar-ruhaniyatul malaki, they have the angelic powers and attributes and qualities in them, the spirituality. وَلِذَا تَرَى مَشَارِقَ الْأَرْضِ وَمَغَارِبِهَا. Therefore they observe the earth from the east to the west, everything in it, they can observe it. Malak al-Maut. Malak al-Maut. Could you pass me that piece of paper, that page that is in the back? I had got some information on that paper. Yes. I've just got some statistic that I was doing some research on. World statistics states that one human dies every second. 96,500 human die per day. Assumption plus minus. 565,500 human die per week. 4,625,500 humans die per month, and 42,600,500 humans die per year. This is a global statistic